Here's a quick little plumber's hack I thought I'd share with people. Take a water balloon, fill it up with some cold water, wrap around your finger like that. You're trying to unclog a toilet and you don't have a plunger. Just carefully use a stronger balloon. Don't use a really weak one that'll pop. And you just kind of shove the balloon in there like this. There we go. And pull it out. Kind of keep shoving it in and pulling it out. And you can kind of plunge. Sometimes you gotta give it to her good like that. And then you gotta make sure you got water filled up in there. And you do it so that this pressure push through. Sorry for the shaky video. Yeah, there we go, see? Awesome. So there's a little plumbing hack for you, a little life hack.